Hello everyone, how are you? I am Mr. Walid Samir. Today we will make a revision on decimal. Change into decimal. We have 3 over 10 or 3 tenths. This is a fraction form. It has a numerator 3 and a denominator 10. We want to write it in decimal form. Change or convert into decimal. We want to write it in decimal form. So first step, we drop 3, which is the numerator as we have, and then we will count the zeros. We have only 1 0, so we will count only 1 digit. Start counting, of course, from the right, and we will put the decimal point. And we have no number in front of the fraction. There is nothing, so we will write 0. B, 34 out of 100. So we will drop 34 as we have. Yes, and then we will start counting 2 digits. And remember, we start counting from the right, okay? We have 2 zeros, 1, 2. So we will start counting 2 digits from the right, 1, 2, and put point and 0. Yes. C. Try to do C yourself. Yes. Drop 9 as we have. Try to solve with me. Okay? And then it's better to get a pen and a paper and try to solve with me. So drop 9 as we have, and then we will count, 2 digits, 1, 2. So 9 is the first digit. This is 1. Where is 2? There is nothing. We have no digits here, just 9. So we will drop 0 and then point and 0. I will repeat it again. Drop 9, first step as we have, and then we will start counting 2 digits from the right. Why 2 digits? Because we have 2 zeros, 1, 2. So 9 is the first digit. This is 1, and 2, we have no digits, so we will write 0 and then point 0. D, 4 and 7 tenths. So first we will drop 7 as we have. Don't look at 4. Okay, we will drop 7 as we have, and then we will count 1 digit because we have 1 0, putting the decimal point, and then we have here 4. Why we will write here 4? Because we have 4 in front of the fraction, and this is called mixed number. 4 and 7 tenths, it's not a fraction, it's a mixed number. 7 tenths is a fraction and the number 4, so this is a mixed number. In E, we have only a fraction, so we will write 0 at the left. We have in B fraction, so you write 0, but in D we have 4 at the left, so we write 4. 8 and 1 over 100. First drop 1, and then we have 2 digits, count 2 digits, 1, 2, where is the second digit? It's not 8. 8 is not the second digit. We will write first 0 and then put point and write 8. Yes, this is right. Okay, what about F? 17 and 13 over 100, or 1300, sorry. Yes, 13. 2 zeros, 2 digits, 2 digits from the right, and put the point and then 17. Now let's talk about the place value. For example, this number, this is 7.23. This is the decimal point. And at the left, we have 7. What is the place value of 7? Do you remember the place value of 7? Yes. Ones. And what about 2 tenths? And 3 hundredths. So the place value, we write the place of each digit. 7 is ones, 2 is tenths, 3 is hundredths. Find the place value of the underlined or colored digit. A, 4, yes, 4 is hundredth, 4 hundredths. We know that this is the point. The first digit which is coming after the point is tenths. The second one is hundredth. 3, yes, is ones, yes. 7 tenths. And 5 is tens, not tenths. 5 is tens. Okay, try to do it again yourself. Yes, 4 hundredths, 3 ones, 7 tenths or tenths, and 5 tens. What is the difference between the place value and value? For example, if we have this number and we are talking about 3, 3 has a place value and it has a value. Yes, the place value of 3 is tenths because 3 is the first digit which is coming after the decimal point, and the value of 3 we will write 0.3. Yes, this is the value. So the place value, you write the place which the digit stands for. For example, 5 is ones, as we said before, 3 is tenths, and 4 is a hundredth. So the place value, you just write the place which the digit stands for. But in the value, you write the value of the digit. So I will write 0.3. Okay? Let's do this exercise. For each number, we want to get the value and the place value. For the colored digit, the first one, 4, its value is 0.4. Yes, this is the value. What about the place value? Tenths. Or we can write 4 tenths. Okay, it's the same. The second one, 1, which is purple. Yes, 1. 1, its value is tens and its place value is tens. Here we write 10 in digit because we are talking about the value, and here we write tens in letters because we are talking about the place value. Let's talk about 7. Yes, 7, its value is ones. Its value is 7, sorry. Its value is 7. And its place value is ones. The last one, 5. Its value is 0.05 we write only the value of the colored digit, and it's hundredths. Okay? Write in standard form. We won't write the following numbers in standard form. So we will represent the place value for each digit to help us to write the numbers in the standard form. For example, this is the place of ones. This is the decimal point, and the digit which is coming next to the decimal point, tenths. The next is hundredths. We have 5 tenths. We will write 5 in 10th place, and we have no ones, so we will write 0. 6 and 3 tenths. We will write 3 in the 10th place. And what is this 0? This is wrong. This is not right, because we have 6 and 3 tenths. So instead of 0, we have to write 6. So cross the 0 and write 6. 2 and 4 hundredths. Is this right? No. Why? Because we put the 4 in the 10th place, and this is 4 hundredths. So we will write 4 in 100th place, and this is correct. And then in the 10th place we have nothing, so we will write 0 and 2. Try to do the last one with yourself. 7 in 100th place, and tenths 0, and ones 0. Seven ones, try to do it yourself. 7 ones and 8 tenths. Yes. This is the decimal point. 8 in the tenths and 7 in ones. 2 tenths and 5 hundredths. Yes. This is the decimal point. And then in the 10th place we will write 2 and 5 in hundredths, and in ones 0. 5 ones, 8 tenths and 2 hundredths. Point. 5 in the ones, 8 in the tenths, and hundredths here. Okay? The last one, it will be 2.05. How did we do the last one? First, we will drop 0 as we have, and then we have no 10th digits, so we will write 0 in 10th place, and then 500, 5 in 100th place, and then 2 ones, so in ones we will write 2. See you later. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.